Good morning, friends and students. Once again, a warm welcome to all the students and the listener. Thank you for participating and watching all these sessions. So today we are going to start our 8th session, which is the 8th session of Young Inventor program, right? So today we are going to learn the steps to become an inventor. Do you want to become an inventor? Yes or no? Write down in the chat box with your name, yes. And I'm going to tell you what are the steps you have to follow if you want to become an inventor. The steps are, there are 3 steps. Students, listen this information carefully, and I can assure you this information is very useful for you guys. At the young age, if you follow these 3 steps in your life, you will become an inventor one day, definitely. The steps are think, learn, and make. Wow, what is these 3 steps? What we have to think, what we have to learn, what we have to make. How we have to think, how we have to learn, how we have to make, what we have to think, and why we have to think, and how we have to think. Focus on your thinking process. Okay, now I am going to elaborate all these points or all these steps in some beautiful information. Step number 1, think. What you have to think? First, you have to think about the problem. Then you have to find its solution. So if you are facing any problem, it means think on it and find out the solution, right? If you follow these points, you are able to think differently. You have to think creativity, find creativity in existing things. Right? So those things already exist. Do the creativity, do some creativity in that. Enhance the performance of existing things. Your own idea, you can think on your own idea, work on it, but that idea should benefits to others. Okay, if that idea or if that thing is not giving benefits to others, it means that is of no use, right? So think about the problems, about the solutions, about the creativity of existing things, about something out of box. So start thinking, right? In this era, we are facing many problems. Start find the solution. Start thinking to find the solution, right? Then after thinking, what you have to do? You have to learn how to implement those ideas into real-time application, right? You have to learn. Now, for learning anything, you can learn with experts, you can learn with environment, and you can learn, like if you are a serious action taker, you can take some good actions to learn, right? So you can connect with experts, you can make your environment healthy to learn something, or you can connect or you can take serious actions. Okay, so follow step number 2 after following step number 1. Then after step number 2, you have to do step number 3, right? You have to make. After thinking, after learning, start making. Many students have ideas. Many students are good at thinking, but they are not learning. They are not learning with expert. They are learning from anywhere, like from any of the sources. From like break करके सीख रहे हैं. Don't follow those steps. Start learning the things in which you have interest with an expert. Okay, then start learning, and after it start making it, because if you don't make it, it doesn't mean anything, right? Start doing experiments and making projects, then result is inventions, right? One day you will be with your invention. Now today I am going to tell you secret number 2. Yesterday I share secret 1. Today I am going to share secret number 2. So you want to know about this secret with a high energy. What you have to do? You have to show me a thumbs up. Thumbs up like this way. Or in your chat, give me an energy. Okay. Secret number 2 to become an inventor. You know, Thomas Edison invented around 1000 patents or inventions, right? You know, in previous sessions, I teach you that Thomas Edison is the world renowned inventor who invented more than 1000 inventions. But you know, behind that, what happens? He experimented more than 1000 times to make few of his inventions. Guys, this is the point. You get failed many times, but don't stop your experiments. Start learning again. Find out the solution. You are facing any problem, your project is not working, find out the solution. Consult with an expert. Okay. I can assure you, if you follow these 3 steps, think, learn, and make, definitely, surely you become an inventor. This is the steps. And behind that, if you get failed to do or to reach out at your potential, do it again. Thomas Edison followed same steps. Think, learn, make. Think, learn, make. And if you get fail, what you have to do? Repeat steps. Suppose you think something and you have an idea and you are learning from any sources or from expert, you are making it, but you get failed. What you have to do? Start thinking again. What is the mistake? Where is the problem? What I am missing it? And find the solution and learn those things from your expert. And then you guys repeat steps again. If you get fail again, what you have to do? Repeat steps again. If you follow these steps, you will become an inventor. This is secret number 2. Repeat steps again. If you get failed in your experiment, do it again, learn it again, think it again, make it again, right? Now, you will become an inventor after this. Let's see a case study. This is a traffic signal system, right? आप लोगों ने इसको देखा होगा. This is the system which is placed in roads. Okay, 4-way traffic signal. This is the picture, and the lights red, yellow, and green, right? What is traffic light signal? Traffic light signals are signaling devices. They are signaling devices, means they provide some signals to control flow of traffic. They are positioned at roads, intersections, pedestrians, crossings, and other locations. And these 3 light means, red means stop, yellow means wait, and green means go. Go means you can move, you can run your vehicle on the road, right? Stop, wait, and go. So this is a traffic light signal. And how this traffic light get invented? This is the point. This is the case study. We are doing it. Initially, when there is no invention of lights, the 3 policemen has to stand on the roads with their hand gestures. Stop, move, wait. So these 3 men, they are showing their hand gestures, and after watching their hand gestures, the traffic gets controlled. And the invention was started in 1722. In 1722, when you are not there, I am not there, right? So the inventions was started in 1722 and it was controlled by 3 policemen. After that, after 1722, in the year of 1914, first electric traffic signal placed in Ohio. Internationally, the traffic light consists of red, green color, and there is a buzzer, manual buzzer, right? Then after that, 1917, first manual switch operated traffic light gets invented, right? Then yellow light get added in 1920, means 101 years ago, this yellow light gets added in traffic light. Initially, traffic light has only 2 colors, red and green, but after in 1922, this yellow color gets added. In 1922, first automates timer-based traffic light comes existent. The first timer-based traffic light comes into existence in 1922, means 100 years before. You can see here the timing is 56 and it gets reduced 55, 54. So add 0, the light color changes. Then in India, it was installed in 1953, first in Chennai, then in 1963, Bangalore, and so on. And after that, inventions are on the process. Moving, doing inventions, doing things, doing inventions, finding the problems, making the solution, doing it again. Then finding the problems, thinking on the solutions, then making it again. And this way, you can see now we have advanced traffic light in 2022. They are automatic controlled, they are camera based, automatic challan systems are there, automatic speed controlling systems are there on the road. So this way you can do the inventions. So let's have the demonstration of traffic signal. So traffic signal consists of power supply, one control system, that is controller, one is input and one is output. So here I am telling you this is a STEM, right? Science, technology, engineering and mathematics. So now we are going to make one-way traffic signal control system. Okay, we have 3 lights, red, yellow and green. The logic will, red remains on. After that, the logic comes, on means high, high means 1 and off means low, low means 0. So our machine, our Arduino Uno understand digital logic, digital language, 0 and 1, high and low, on and off. So let's suppose we have 3 signal. Okay. Red, yellow and green. So first of all, we are making this color green for 10 seconds. So red will remain low, means 0, yellow will remain low, green remains high. Then after 10 seconds, for next 3 seconds, yellow becomes high, red and green becomes low. And after this, for next 10 seconds, red becomes high and yellow and green becomes low. Now on and off means 0 and 1. High means 1, low means 0, right? So are you ready to make this project in hardware? Yes or no? And what step we have to follow if we want to make the same project in software? We have to follow the steps to log in our account. Now again, these are the steps to log in into our software. So clicking on this and going again on my software screen to put my nickname. My nickname is Rajendra Kumar. So my software is getting open now. Clicking on circuits, create new circuits. So first of all, what we have to put? We have to put the project name. One way traffic signal control system, right? And then what we have to do? We have to take out the components. So these are the components: Arduino Uno board, breadboard. Then we need 3 LEDs, 1, 2, and 3. Then we need 1 resistance. Now placing it on here, 9 and 10E, 15 and 16E, 18 and 19, 17 and I'll put it here. Okay. Then I am placing the resistance here, connecting this 5 volt here and the ground here. Making it of black color. Here this color will go red. Hope you guys are also making all the circuits in your software. So here I am connecting it on pin number 12. Then here I am connecting on pin number 10. And this wire I am going to connect on pin number 10. Right? You can place this wire here. Five volt, this way you can connect, right? And the resistance here I am connecting again 1 resistance, and the value I am putting it off like 1 kilo ohm, right? Now this is my circuit. My 5 volt and ground is connected. My LEDs connections are connected. Then now I'm going, what I have to do? I have to make the logic in the code blocks. So for 3 LEDs, first of all, this red, then this LED will become yellow, and this will become green. So this will become red, yellow, and green. So first of all, just check your circuit by placing 3 LEDs here, and the LEDs numbers are 10, 11, and 12. Okay guys, so here we have 10, 11, and 12. So that's why I'm placing it 10, 11, and 12 and checking it whether my circuit is right or not. So all the LEDs are glowing, it means my circuit is correct. Now I am going to make the logic. So red is on, then yellow and red remains off, green remains on for 10 seconds. So here I am putting 10 second delay, right? Then again after 10 seconds, what the logic is, the green gets off means low and yellow gets high for 3 seconds. Then again I am placing it, this yellow gets low and red gets high for next 10 seconds. So this way I'm just running it, checking it whether now only green LED is on. My timing is showing here. After 10 seconds, what happens? This green remains off and yellow gets on. After 3 seconds, red gets on and or yellow and green remains off. So this way the circuit is tested and you can learn and you can make any logic. Right, guys? So hope you like the activity. If you like the activity, you can like it in the chat box or on the session link. You can like it. Now here I am placing the activity. Activity name is 11, and what I am going to do, I am saving it, and in the last I am closing it. So all the circuits till now are in my library. Okay, hope you are also making all the circuits. Till now we are completed with around 12 activities. So complete all the activities to get the certification. And one more thing, students, I want to tell you, on 11th June we are coming up with a certification ceremony. So we are come live on Zoom. We will share the link. 11 June at 11:30 we will give you all the certifications, those students who are completing their projects in the Tinkercad account and giving us the quiz. Okay, so all students who are doing all things, we will give certificate of young inventor on 11th June at 11:30 on the Zoom live. We will share the link. Till then, bye bye, take care and complete your circuits.